Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove the liquid error in Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, if you're encountering a liquid error on your Shopify store, it means there is an issue in the template code. These errors typically occur when the theme references are missing or broken elements. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can fix it. First of all, locate the source of the error. To fix the error, you first need to find where it's coming from. Here are some methods to find the source. Error message. The error message itself often includes the location or name of the asset, snippet, or section where the problem lies. Inspect of the theme. Go to Online Store, Themes in your Shopify admin, then click Actions and Edit Code. In the code editor, check the following files: theme.liquid, snippets, sections, and templates. Check the recent edits. If the error started appearing after a recent edit, review the changes you or your developer made in the theme's code. Then, fix common liquid errors. Here are common causes of liquid errors and how to fix them. Missing assets. If the error says liquid error, could not find asset, this means a file such as an image, JavaScript, or CSS file is missing or incorrectly referenced. The solution: go to Assets in your theme files and check if the reference asset exists. If it's missing, either upload the asset or remove the reference to it in the theme code if it's not necessary. Missing or incorrect snippets. If the error states liquid error could not render, it means that a reference snippet is missing from the snippets folder or it's not correctly named. In order to fix that, check the snippets folder in the theme file for the missing snippet. If it's missing, you can either create the snippet file with the appropriate content or remove the reference to it in the template. Ensure that the snippet is properly called using the correct syntax. Undefined variables. If you see liquid error undefined variable, it means the template is trying to use a variable that doesn't exist, hasn't been passed to that particular context. Solution: find where the variable is being called in the code. The most common location is in theme.liquid or page templates. Either define the variable before it is used or remove the reference to it if it's unnecessary. For example, if the variable is this one, but the error says undefined, you may need to pass the correct product object to the template. And if you have a syntax error, review the syntax of the liquid tags and filters you're using. Ensure that loops and conditions are properly closed like this. Check the Shopify liquid documentation if you're unsure of the incorrect syntax. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.